Come on, Jake. Hurry up. Get over here. Reel. 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 All right, hold on. It's a big one. It's a big one. All right, reel. 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 All right, hold on. Hold on. Wait, 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 wait. All right, hold on. Just let him go. Let him pull. Let him pull. Let him pull. All right, keep the top rod tip up. Rod tip up. Reel, 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 reel. All right, let him go. You got to tire him out. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right, reel, reel. It's tiring out. Well, let him run. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. All right, bring it in. Reel. Keep your rod tip up. Rod tip up. Let him run. He's going to run again. All right, hold on, hold on, hold on. Just let him run. You got to let him tire himself out. All right, reel, reel. It's a nice one. It's bigger than that. All right, lift up, lift up. Let him run, let him run. All right, all right, bring him here. Oh, wow. All right, let him run, let him run, let him run. Let him run, let him run. All right. Bring it here, bring it here. Oh.
Oh, it's huge.
That's a big one.
It's huge.
Oh.
Dad. First one all day.
Yep.
That, like everyone hasn't caught one.
All right, we need
Wow.
Here.
How will I hold it?
Just hold them like this.
Okay.
A little dirty, but real, 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 real. Keep it up, keep it up. All right, let him run, let him run, let him run. Let him run. What is that, catfish? Yeah, it's a catfish.
Oh, no way.
All right, bring it in. All right. Nice channel.
I'm the one that's catching. That's a catfish. I don't like fishing.
I don't like this stuff. There we go.
Oh, you go. You have to go. That's a small one.
It's a catfish.
This is for me. Stay away from me. Let me hold it again.
You want to hold him?
I want to hold him again. Oh, he's a weird one.
All right, hold on. Let him run, run. Keep it tight. Keep it real, real, real. What is it, catfish? Or is it a trout? Looks like a. Yeah, that's trout. All right, hold on. Don't fight him. Don't. Hold on. Let him run. Let him run. All right, walk him back. Walk him back. Walk backwards. Oh. Yeah. What? Hold on. Hold on. Let him run. Let him run. Keep your rod up. Keep your rod up. All right. All right. Bring him back. Bring him back. Just walk back. Just walk backwards. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, rod. The line just broke.
Whoa, just.
Oh no, the hook popped out.
Oh yeah, that's my I think that's my seaweed thing. Wow, it's another one. I'm the trouter.
Alright. Pick him up. Pick him up. He isn't down bars. He can't hurt you.
Why not?
Just pick him up.
It's hard to. Just stay still, okay? I'll make sure you don't.
All right.